The 2025 Honda CR-V continues its legacy as a top contender in the compact SUV segment, bringing a blend of modern styling, refined interior, and efficient performance. This review covers everything you need to know about its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Honda CR-V features a bold and sophisticated design that enhances its road presence. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek grille with a chrome-accented Honda emblem, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide excellent visibility. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines give the SUV a sporty yet elegant appeal. The side profile showcases a strong character line that runs across the body, complemented by stylish alloy wheels that range from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim level. At the rear, the CR-V sports distinctive LED taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and a redesigned bumper that adds a touch of ruggedness. The overall design reflects a balance of aesthetics and functionality, making it a great choice for those who want a modern and stylish SUV. Moving inside, the 2025 CR-V offers a spacious and well-appointed cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. The dashboard features a clean layout with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver display provides clear and customizable information, ensuring a convenient driving experience. Comfort is a priority with supportive seats wrapped in high-quality fabric or available leather upholstery. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making long journeys comfortable for passengers. Cargo space is impressive, with the ability to expand further by folding the rear seats. Honda has also integrated various storage compartments and cup holders throughout the cabin for added practicality. Ambient lighting, a premium audio system, and a panoramic sunroof further enhance the interior ambiance, making the CR-V a pleasant place to be. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda CR-V comes with multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving needs. The standard model is equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces around 190 horsepower and is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) for smooth power delivery. For those looking for enhanced efficiency, Honda offers a hybrid variant featuring a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine combined with 2 electric motors, generating a total output of approximately 204 horsepower. The hybrid system ensures improved fuel economy while maintaining a responsive driving experience. The CR-V offers front-wheel drive as standard, with an all-wheel drive option for better traction and stability in various road conditions. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease, while the steering remains precise and well-weighted. Overall, the CR-V strikes a great balance between efficiency and performance, making it an ideal choice for daily commutes and long road trips. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Honda CR-V remains competitively priced within the segment. The base LX trim starts at around $30,000, offering essential features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, safety suite, and comfortable seating. The X and EXL trims, priced between $33,000 and $37,000, add premium features like leather upholstery, a larger infotainment display, and advanced driver assistance technologies. The top-tier touring and hybrid trims, which range from $39,000 to $42,000, include features such as a high-end sound system, hands-free power liftgate, and additional safety enhancements. These prices may vary based on optional packages and regional factors. Overall, the 2025 Honda CR-V delivers excellent value. With its combination of modern styling, comfortable interior, reliable performance, and competitive pricing, making it a strong contender in the SUV market.